Oh, good morning, Doña Chay. Will you come in?
I do, Emilia.
Yes. Have a seat, please. What can I do for you?
Where's Pangoy?
Nanay, she went out to Aling and Chuck's.
Oh, I see. Well, Emilio, I heard you missed me. Seems you're happy today.
Indeed I am, Doña Chay. Tomorrow is my birthday, and my nanay will buy me a new camisa.
That is good news, Emilia. Please tell your mother I will be back.
Yes, Doña Chay, I will.
Bata niya. Lion tayo.
Here, Emilio, take this fish on occasion and you can do the rice now.
Yes, nanay.
Yes, nanay.
Here is 10 centavos for a haircut. You may leave after the rice is set on the stove. And downstairs is expecting at his barber shop, for I've told him that you are coming.
By the way, nanay, Doña Chay came this morning, but she left and she did not find you. She said she's coming back.
Did she?
Yes, nanay. My mother. What is the matter?
Nothing. Nothing at all, my boy. Run along now and do what I told you. Morning, Pangoy. I gave her this. Oh, yes, I know. You told me about it. Well, Pangoy, this is the third that you're paid to pay me the interest for the debts. You promised to pay me yesterday restore, but you did not show up. That is true, Dr. Chai. You see, I don't have the money. If you would please wait till after Christmas, perhaps... Bah! Wait till after Christmas? I need the money, Sam. Besides, week after week, you promised to pay there, but nothing has come out of your promises. But I do not have it. I do not have it. Only be able to buy a new camisa for Emilio. Doña Chay, I have saved only enough for the promised medicine boy. You see, his clothes are tattered and his hair is long. Tomorrow is his birthday, and I want to make him happy, even for doing this once. Would you please give me more time? I promise I shall not fail you again. Birthday? You're not going to work, but you don't know how to sing. I should have known better.
Doña Chay, we borrowed because we were in need, but it doesn't mean that we can be insulted even in our own home. Nanay, please give Doña Chay the money. Send it for my camisa.
Why? It's only 1 peso and 90 centavos. The interest is 2 pesos a week. It is all I have, Doña Chay.
Doña Chay, take this, if it will make you any happier.
Mana, pick those cards and give it to me. I'll come back after this week.
Mapasok sa diyan kami.
Don't cry, Nanay. I will find work, and soon we will pay all your debts.
But son, the camisa I promised you. And your haircut. And tomorrow is your birthday.
Yayakap na yan.
Do not let them worry you, Nanay.
Yayakap yan.
I shall have other birthdays.